Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix ear calling speaker issues on your Poco M8 Pro. Follow each step carefully to make sure your speaker works properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications for more useful guides. Now let's begin.